beautiful people, welcome back to my art channel Jashan. Do you know what we are going to paint today? Yeah, you are right, we are going to finalize this painting today. I am going to add second coat of paint on it, and I am going to add more details in it, and we will see the final result in this video. So let's get started. Tada! I am going to use these paints today for painting the apricots. I am going to paint these fruits in a way that these will look realistic from a distance, not from the close-up. In the close-up you will see brush strokes, but from a distance you will see realistic smooth apricots. So let me first identify the easiest way to paint by painting these three apricots. Then I will let you know how to paint realistic apricots in a very simplified manner. So guys, okay, I am going to tell you how to paint apricots. There is a difference here from those three apricots. There are some leaves which are covering some part of these apricots. So okay, first of all, let me tell you how to paint these. So first of all, paint this line with brown shade which I have prepared by mixing crimson and sap green, and also paint it on the portion where you think shadow will fall. Then I'm going to add highlights in the outline using mix-up of lemon yellow and titanium white. And guys, it's super fun. I am loving it. So now paint near the line with same shade, the lighter one, and add some shadow near it using brown again. And guys, now take mix-up of yellow and vermilion red to paint over everything on this fruit. Now it's the time to add highlights. I am using white color and lemon yellow. For this, paint it on the bright areas, most probably in the center, and blend all the colors well. Blend each and everything well. Blending is the key here. You can use a bigger size dry brush to blend acrylic paints, and you must remember that acrylics dry faster, so you need to be very quick to blend all the colors. So it's ready. Woohoo! Now let's move to paint all other apricots using the same technique. So the technique is first add shadows, then highlight the corners and paint the fruit with lighter to darker shades from the center point of shine. In the center point of shine you must paint with lemon yellow or white, then you can move to deep yellow, and then you will move to orange, vermilion, crimson, and it's ready after blending. You can also use alternative. You can start with center bright portion and move towards the outlining. It will be also good alternative. While painting these fruits, remember that acrylics dry. So the white and yellow that I'm painting in huge amount will automatically get overpowered by other darker shades after drying the fruit, and the fruits will left with the bright yellow, orange and red shades only, as the white will disappear. Acrylic painting is so fun. You can easily cover your mistakes by putting in other layers of paint. So just keep going until you reach the final good result, cause buddy, there are no mistakes in acrylic painting. It's just trial and you will reach good result definitely. Now I am going to paint the fruits in basket. For this apricot, I am painting its top view, so technique is a little bit different. Paint dark crimson with a little bit of green in it in the center, and paint yellow and other lighter shades around it and blend everything well. And later paint the corner outline and then put some yellow and reds mix up in it, so that it will not look like it is smashed. It must look like, you know, spongy and filled with juice. So let's paint. So blending is the key here. Later I'll paint stock here. All of the fruits are super easy to paint with very little shadows, so we can directly paint these using red, orange, yellow and white shade on their appropriate places. As you can see in the video, it's super easy. So these fruits are looking amazing, and with these stalks I am going to paint the basket, but I am too tired, guys, and my feet are just like on fire now, painting a lot. So maybe I should stop painting here, because I am having plantar fasciitis, and standing for a long period of time is like, you know, awful for me. So I'm in trouble. Guys, as I told you that I am going to add details in this painting, so I started painting today around 12:40 p.m. and I am painting from 6 hours and 30 minutes continuously, and now I am too tired. I was pretty confident while starting that I am going to finish this painting, but I failed. I only managed to paint these fruits, so I have to paint birds and leaves in tomorrow's video. So I am ending this video today here with this final result. While painting, I was getting a lot of ideas. So one idea is, why not to give my audience a challenge? So I am providing you a challenge of 1K likes on this video. So guys, like this video and ask others to like this video also, because we have to complete 1K likes challenge on this video. So you can also subscribe my channel to watch another videos about art, and I will keep bringing such amazing content for you guys, and I really want you to be part of my journey. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.